A pleasant afternoon, everybody. Recording is already on progress. Allow TIS and Teacher Germain to record our session this afternoon. Today is Tuesday, and teacher is supposed to give you a poet class, right? So we will be reading about Great Expectations, but instead of that one, we will be having a grammar class today. So why grammar? It's because teacher wasn't able to meet the class yesterday.
Yes,
So,
it was right.
yeah, thank you, Alfonso. So that is why we will be discussing grammar today. So if you can still remember last meeting or last time, teacher was able to give you a test. And that test comprises of our lessons that we just previously discussed. So we talk about verbs, right? And we also talk about, um, um, we are done with verbs. Um, the last that we discussed are all about pronouns. So I hope you can still recall our discussion on pronouns. Pronouns are words that we are going to use to replace noun or nouns in a sentence. We have many types of pronouns, right? We have subject pronouns, object pronouns, interrogative pronouns, reflexive pronouns. So we also have indefinite pronouns. So what are we going to take note, or what should we take note? That in choosing the correct pronoun, we should read thoroughly the sentence. Okay, we should read thoroughly the sentence. Then let's find out what was being talked, or what's the subject, or who is the subject. Then finally, you can use the correct pronoun in the sentence. Okay. So this afternoon, I hope you are ready with the blue book. Okay, if not, you just follow me on my screen. So we will be discussing another topic. So let's talk about adjectives. Okay. So we are going to discuss about adjectives. Teacher is hoping that other teachers here in CIS was able to discuss to you about adjectives already. I'll have an activity first. Okay, I want you to open the chat box. You please give me how do we spell the word adjective? Singular, okay? Spell adjective. In the chat box, please spell adjective. Okay, in the chat box, I want you to give me the spelling of adjective. Or Alfonso, is that capital letter I? Yeah, that's good. Josephine, please spell out adjective, Josephine.
Okay, Miss. ADJECTIPE.
If it's only one, we say adjective. But if it's plural, we say adjective. Okay. Catherine, please check the spelling. Instead of letter A, that is letter E. So you have,
Sorry, teacher, it's E, not A.
okay, yes, Catherine. Mariana and Alfonso. Okay, okay. Alfonso already corrected his answer. Mariana, not capital I, but it should be small I or just small I. Okay. So what is an adjective? What is an adjective? Can someone tell me what an adjective is? Okay, Alfonso, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, what's an adjective, Alfonso?
An adjective is a noun or pronoun that can be described.
A noun or pronoun that can be described. I want you to read and analyze it. Is it a noun? Is it a pronoun to be described?
I mean
It is a word
word that
describes.
describes the noun or the pronoun.
Yes, exactly. Okay, not the noun or the pronoun, okay? It is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, or these are words that describe nouns or pronouns. So that is what an adjective is. Okay. For example, if I say cute boy, okay, I have cute boy. So what is the adjective for that phrase? Cute boy. The adjective is,
Cute.
yeah, yes, Alfonso, the adjective is cute, describing the boy. Is my voice loud enough, Alfonso?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we also have beautiful girls. Beautiful girls. What do you think is the adjective in the sentence?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Not, okay, not sentence, but a phrase. Our adjective is beautiful. Beautiful, describing the girl. Okay, next we have sweet tea. Sweet tea. What is our adjective?
Sweet.
Yes, very good, Catherine. We have sweet, and it describes the tea. Yes. How about another one? Okay, number 4, we have clean room. Clean room. Our adjective is
Clean.
Clean.
yes. The word clean describes what?
Room.
Describes the room. Very good, Mariana. So, again, how do we call cute, beautiful, sweet, and clean? How do we call those words? Those are,
Adjective.
yes, we call those are adjectives. So again, adjectives are words that describes a noun or a pronoun. A simpler definition, adjectives are describing words. So I will be sharing my screen so that you can have you can see what the blue book is now. So we will be talking about adjectives and adverbs, but we are going to talk about adjectives first. Catherine,
Yes, teacher.
can you please read the definition of adjectives? That's one.
Okay, teacher. Definition. Adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. They may come before the word they describe. That is a cute puppy. Or they may follow the word they describe. That puppy is cute.
So depending on the way we construct the sentence, the adjective can come before the word describe, or it may follow the word that they describe. Okay? Thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome, teacher.
Thank you, Cynthia. Could you please read it again? What is an adjective? What is an adjective?
The definition.
Yes, because when we talk about definition, that is the meaning of it. Okay, go on.
Definition. Adjective are words that describe nouns or pronouns. They may come before the word they describe. That is a cute puppy. Or they may follow the word they describe. That puppy is cute.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Cynthia. So after that one, we have here the definition of adverb, but we will not be talking about adverbs first. Okay, um, I hope if I'm going to share my screen, it will work. Where is that one? Okay. Um, I cannot maximize the activity more because it is pixelated. Mhm. So I'm going to do it this way. Ah, it's okay. I hope you can just read it. Okay, so we are going, Devin, you are raising your hand, Devin. Wanna say something, Devin?
No, miss.
Okay. So this is a very easy activity. So we are going to write or choose the best adjective to describe the picture on the lines below. So first, we have many adjectives inside the box. Catherine, can I ask you to read those adjectives inside the box? I hope it is just clear. This one, Catherine. Okay, this one, how do you read it?
Big,
Okay, continue.
clean, new, old, long, small, cute, dirty, short, fat.
Okay, thank you. Devin. I want you to read also, Devin. Devin, can you read also?
Short,
Start from the beginning. This one. Big.
big, clean, new, old, long, small, cute, dirty, short, fat.
Yes. What are those words inside the box, Devin? What are those words inside the box? Anyone? What are those words inside the box? Those are examples of,
Adjective.
yes, was that one? How do we call big, clean, new, old, long, small? These are all examples of,
Adjective.
yes, very good, Inda. These are adjectives. Okay, look at the first picture in the blank t-shirt. Blank t-shirt. What should be the correct adjective for that one?
Dirty.
Come again.
Dirty. Dirty t-shirt.
Yeah, we have dirty t-shirt. How about the next one? The next picture.
Clean t-shirt.
Yeah, the blue one, we say it is dirty t-shirt. But the next one, which is the white shirt, we say clean t-shirt. Very good. Okay, thank you, Enda.
You're welcome.
We have another picture in here. We have the first and the second one. Okay, look at the hair. So, how do we answer it? Catherine, number 3, how do we answer this? Okay, look at the hair because you have it here, blank hair. Oh, I'll go back to the adjective. Blank hair. Catherine.
The answer is short.
Okay. How do you say that one?
Short hair.
Yes, come again.
Short hair.
Yes, we have short hair. How about the next picture, Catherine? What can we say? Blank hair. So it is,
The answer is long hair.
yeah. How do we spell long, Catherine? How do we spell long?
L-O-N-G. Long.
Very good. Long hair. Thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome, teacher.
Look at this house. Look at this house. What can we say about the house? What can we say about the house? Tristan, I'm sorry if my screen is not that clear, okay? Look at the house. Blank house. Okay, look at here. What is our correct adjective?
Old.
Come again.
Old.
Old what?
Old house.
Okay, old house. But the next one above here, Tristan, what can we say about this?
New house.
Yes, we have a new house. Thank you. Thank you, Tristan.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's have the two next pictures. Okay, the red one and the orange. For the red one, we have blank car. For the orange, we have blank car. Okay, would like to answer here first, the red car. How about is Noel here?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Is Nicholas here, Noel? Nicholas?
No.
Where's Nicholas? He has a practice or he has schoolwork?
I want
Yes.
to answer it.
Okay, Noel. Look at the picture, Noel, the red one and the orange car. So what are we going to use? What adjective?
Big and small.
How about the first one? You identify first. The red one, we are going to say
Small car.
yes, and the big one. Okay, and the next one we say
Big car.
okay, small car and big car. Okay, thank you, Noel. Okay, lastly, we have these two cute animals. Okay, the pink animal and the blue animal. Okay, I would like to talk to, okay, Shitya.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, look at the pink animal. What is it?
Rabbit and cat.
Okay, what can we say about the rabbit? Let's go back in here. Rabbit.
Cute rabbit.
Yes, we say cute rabbit. Okay, when we say cute, that also means when we say cute, that also means small or tiny. Okay, how about the cat? If the rabbit is cute, the cat is,
Fat.
yeah, fat cat. Say it again.
Fat cat.
Come again.
Fat cat.
Yeah, doing good. Thank you so much. So that is the first activity. So that is very easy to identify the correct adjective to be used based on the picture. Okay, I'll stop sharing again. I'll go back to my presentation.
Mr. Main,
Yes, Mark.
the image was a bit blurry. I mean, it's a bit pixel.
Yeah, it's pixelated because I just saved it. It's an online picture. Then I just saved it. I was able to say it a while ago that that photo is pixelated. I still have another activity. I want to have, but if I am going to give it again, it will consume most of our time. I was supposed to ask you to write it down. Is my screen already back, Tristan?
Yes, Mr. Main.
Okay, but is it still white or can you read? Or there
Uh,
are already sentences?
yes, there is a sentences.
Okay, there are sentences. So it's quite small, okay? I hope you just can read it. So we have adjectives describe a noun. Okay? Adjectives describe a noun or a pronoun. Alfonso, can you please read number 1 to 6 first? Read,
Okay.
just read.
I play with the red ball.
Everything. 1 to 6, Alfonso. Please.
Play. I play with the red ball. He eats healthy food. The small cat is sleeping. She is a young teacher. They like reading funny books. The girls in my classroom are clever.
Okay. I'll be back with you, Alfonso.
Okay.
Inda, can I ask you to read also, Inda?
Okay, miss. I play with the red ball. He eats healthy food. The small cat is sleeping. She is a young teacher. They like reading funny books. The girls in my classroom are clever.
Yes, that's good. Mariana, please read also.
Okay, I play with the red ball. He eats healthy food. The small cat is sleeping. She is a young teacher. They like reading funny books. The girls in my classroom are clever.
Okay, very good. How about I'll have is Sundara, is Honey here? Honey, are you here?
Yes, miss.
Okay, please read. Why are the other kids not opening their camera? Audrey, Sanasa, Sarah, Noel, Josephine.
I want to get call for the answer.
Yes, I'll be asking you later on, Mark, but I'll have kids first to read the sentence. Okay? Um, Honey, please read, honey.
What's the number, Miss?
Honey, I'm asking the same with the other kids. 1 until 6. Okay?
One. I play with the red ball. Two. He eats healthy food. Three. The small cat is sleeping. Four. She is a young teacher. They, five. They like reading funny books. Six. The girls in my classroom are clever.
Hey, thank you, honey.
You're welcome, Miss.
Mark.
Yes, Miss Jermaine.
Okay, so you read sentence number 1, then you give me the adjective. Okay, you read and you say the adjective is like that. Okay, go.
Okay. I am watching a blah 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 movie with my friends.
Mark,
That's
we are still here. The first one.
oh, okay. I play with the red ball. Play is an adjective
Mm-hmm. Play is an adjective.
that describes a noun. Noun
Okay.
is a people, so
I play with the red ball. Do you know that I is the subject in the
play an
sentence?
adjective.
Play is an adjective, Mark?
No, play is a verb.
Yes, play is a verb. So what is the adjective?
Adjective was a red ball.
The adjective is red.
It's red. Oh,
Yeah, and it describes the ball. Am I right?
yes.
Okay, again, okay. I play with the red ball. The adjective here is red, describing the ball. Okay, I want you to do number 2, Mark. Number 2. Mark, still you.
Okay. He eats healthy food.
The
The
adjective
adjective is healthy.
describing what?
Healthy was an adjective.
Yes, it describes what? In the sentence, describing the,
Describing the food that is
yeah,
healthy to eat.
very good. Describing the food. Thank you, Mark. How about, can I have Josephine now? Josephine,
Yes, Miss.
how are you?
I'm good, Miss.
Okay, glad to hear that one. Number 3, please, Josephine.
Number three of circle the adjective or complete the sentence.
Read the sentence, and afterwards, you tell us the adjective. Number 3.
The small cat is sleeping.
Okay, the adjective
The adjective is small
describing the,
cat.
yes, describing the cat. Number 4, still you, Josephine. Number 4.
She is a young teacher.
Yes,
The adjective is young.
very good. Describing,
In the teacher.
okay, yeah, describing the teacher. Thank you, Josephine.
You're welcome, Miss.
How about number 5 and number 6? I hope I can talk to Sanessa. Sanessa.
Yes,
Hello.
Miss.
Okay, how are you? Okay, Sanessa, number 5.
The girls in my classroom are clever.
Number 5, number 5. Come again, come again.
They like reading funny books.
Okay, they like reading funny books. What is our adjective?
Reading.
Reading. Do you think reading is an adjective, Sanessa? Okay. Instead of Sanessa, can I move to another kid? Okay, I hope I can talk clearly to Devin now. Devin.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, read number 5, Devin.
His sister has got blah 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 eyes.
No, we're still here. Number 5.
They like reading funny books.
Yeah, what is the adjective for that sentence? They like reading funny books. What is our adjective in that sentence, Devin?
Like, Miss.
Like? I am telling you that like is a verb. Oh, you know what? Kids, adjectives are describing words. Describing words. Alfonso, maybe you would like to help them?
What?
What? Okay, read number 5. Alfonso.
They like reading funny books.
Adjective.
Funny.
Yeah. And it describes what?
Books.
Yeah, and it is describing the book. So, what kind of books do they like reading? They like reading funny books. Right, Alfonso?
Yes.
Yes, definitely. Okay. Alfonso, continue to number 6, please.
Okay. The girls in my classroom are clever. The answer is
Yes. What
clever.
is,
Clever.
yeah, the adjective in that sentence is clever. Okay, we have clever. Describing what, Alfonso?
The girl.
Yeah. Can you give me what do you mean by clever? What is the synonym for clever?
Smart.
Yeah, being smart or being intelligent. That is what clever means. Very good. So the girls in my classroom are clever. The adjective is clever, describing the girl. Okay. Thank you, Alfonso.
You're welcome.
So if we can finish the first part of this one later on, or later part of the discussion, we will be having the different comparison of adjectives. Okay. I have been discussing and repeating to you the levels of comparison of adjectives. If you can still remember, we have positive adjectives, right? We also have comparative adjectives, and we also have, what's the last one? Yes,
Superlative.
Superlative.
yes, Catherine, superlative adjective. So if it's one, that's positive. Comparing two, that's comparative. Three or more, that is superlative adjective. Okay, but I think we will be having that one on the next meeting. I am sharing again my screen. Let's use again the mm, let's use again the Bluetooth. Okay, but supposedly here we have here adverbs, but I don't want to talk about adverbs with you now. But I will be skipping that one. Then let's go back to that if we are done discussing adjectives. Again, we will be discussing about adverbs if teacher is done talking about adjectives. Mark, please read the highlighted paragraph, please.
Okay. Rule 5. A common error in using adjective and adverb arises from using the wrong form for comparison. For instance, to describe one thing, we would say poor, as in she is poor. To compare two things, we should say poorer, as in she is the poorer of the two women. To compare more than two things, we should say poorest, as in she is the poorest of them all. That's kind of sad for her.
So sad for her. Okay, thank you. Inda, please read it also.
5. A common error in using adjectives and adverbs arises from using the wrong form for comparison. For instance, to describe one thing we would say poor, as in she is poor. To compare two things, we should say poorer, as in she is the poorer of the two women. To compare more than two things, we should say poorest, as in she is the poorest of them all.
Okay. Yes, thank you. So just like what I have said a while ago, we should know the degrees of comparison of adjectives, okay, so that we can use the correct adjective in a sentence. Okay? So we will not. So we will be discussing it now here. So if we have one, if we compare one, if we compare two, or if we have three or more. Okay, the first one. Okay, end up is read.
Sweet, sweeter, sweetest.
If I'll ask you in the, can you still remember our discussion about this one before?
Yes.
Okay, because teacher was able to repeat it again and again. Okay, Catherine, how about this one? The next set of adjectives here.
Bad, worse, worse.
Okay, if you can notice, in the first one, so this is just the base form of the adjective. In the comparative level, what letters are added? We add,
ENR.
yes. How about superlative? In three or more, we add,
CST.
yes, EST. So here, if we just add those letters, Those are regular adjectives. Okay? Those are regular adjectives. But on the other hand, um, just like what Catherine has read a while ago, bad, worse, worst. It is an example of irregular adjective. Why is it called irregular? Because we are changing the spelling. Okay, we are changing the spelling of that certain word to to form its comparative and superlative form. Um, for example, positive we have good. Comparative we have better. For superlative we have best. Okay, good, better, best. Ah. For negative one, we say bad, worse, worst. Because we don't say bad, badder, and baddest. Okay, because that is not accepted. We don't say good, gooder, goodest. Okay, because that is not right. So I have also discussed to you, um, we can add more or most, less and least. Example, efficient. We will say more efficient or most efficient. We can also say efficient, less efficient, then least efficient. So let us take note of this one. Please read, Alfonso.
Okay. Usually with words of three or more syllables, don't add or s. Use more or most in front of the words.
Okay, so that explains the examples presented a while ago. So for words with three or more syllables, we don't say beautiful, beautifuler, beautifulest. That's wrong. So we say beautiful, more beautiful. Then we say most beautiful. There are also certain things or certain adjectives wherein we change. Um, for example, we have heavy. How do I do it? The thought box. Okay, if the given adjective is heavy, okay, I have there heavy. That's for only one. Or if it's already in the comparative form, heavy, change letter Y to letter I, then you add ER. That is heavier. Okay, then for the
Yo, I've
superlative,
written the same. The
okay,
word heavy.
and in the superlative form, you have there Mark already answered. You have heaviest. Change Y to I, then you add EST. Okay. So I hope that that makes sense now. I'll stop sharing again. We still have time, right? We still have time. I will look for adjectives, not tenses of verbs. Can you see my screen? No?
Oh,
Not yet.
no.
Okay. For a while. I hope it's also here. Yeah. Okay. Because we will be having this one as a review.
Cool presentation.
Yes, Mark.
Cool presentation.
Is this your first time looking at this presentation?
Yep. It looks bright.
It looks
and
bright
cheerful.
and cheerful, yeah. But you know, I have used this presentation before. So every adjective has its 3 degrees. So just like what I told you, Pitya, what are the 3 degrees of adjectives? We have
Positive adjective, comparative adjective, and superlative adjective.
okay. Let us have first the positive adjective. Okay, so what is a positive adjective? Maybe Farrell would like to read. Farrell, I hope Farrell can also open his microphone, right? Or his video.
Yes. Yes, Miss.
Yes. Okay, what is a positive adjective? Please read. Okay, if not Farrell, you know what? If I'll be asking you to read, you read directly, okay? So that we will not be um missing our time in here. Tristan, what's a positive adjective? Am I sharing my screen, Tristan?
Yes.
Okay, you just read everything because
Okay.
that explains what positive adjective is.
Positive adjective. The positive degree is the normal adjective form. You use this form when describing one thing or a group of things.
Yes, exactly. So one, okay, one thing or one group of things. Okay, let's move to comparative. Enda, please read.
Comparative adjective. The comparative degree is used to compare two people, places, or things. The word then typically follows the comparative form.
Okay, I would like to ask Tristan to read again what comparative adjective is.
Okay. Comparative adjective. The comparative degree is used to compare two people, places, or things. The word then typically follows the comparative form.
Okay, very good. So that is what comparative adjective is. Okay, let's move to how about the superlative form? Okay, how about the superlative form of adjective? Alfonso, please read. Alfonso. Okay, if not Alfonso, Catherine, please.
Wow, Superman.
Yes,
Catherine,
teacher.
okay, please read.
Superlative adjective. More like Superman adjective.
Go,
Superlative
Catherine.
adjective. The superlative degree can be used if you are comparing three or more people, place, or things. The word that typically comes before the superlative form.
Okay, so for superlative adjective, you have it there. You have um, comparing 3 or more people, places, or things. Okay, that's good. So we have here some examples. Okay, just like the example that I gave, you have healthy, healthier, healthiest. A healthy, that is positive form. In the comparative, you change letter Y to I, add ER, so that becomes healthier. Healthiest, you change Y to I, then you add EST, that is, okay, that is now in the superlative form. Okay, we have here mad mother. We have here this table. I hope you're still with me. Mariana, please read number 1 to number 2. You said merry, merrier, like that.
Okay. Merry, merrier, merriest. Lucky, luckier, luckiest.
Continue until number 5, okay?
Fast, faster, fastest. Glow, glover, glowest. Man, madder, maddest.
Yes. How about Tristan again?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please read again, Tristan. Please
From
read.
number 1 to 5. Oh, okay. Merry, merrier, merriest. 2. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. 3. Fast, faster, fastest. 4. Low, lower, lowest. 5. Mad, madder, madness. Maddest.
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 Okay. Okay, thank you, Tristan. So I'll just give you this example. How about, okay, how
Miss
about,
Jermaine,
yes, Mark?
I have a question.
Yes.
I want to ask, what is madness? Like this. I type in the chat. It says madness. Is this comparative?
Madness, you know what?
Madness.
Madness is an example of a noun. Madness is an abstract noun. It's the state of being mad. That's not an adjective. If you say mad, that's adjective. But if you say madness, oh no, we don't say madness, Mark. Madness it's a noun. No.
It's a noun. But what about if we make it converted to comparative and superlative?
Okay, that's why we have this comparison. We have this mad. That's the verb, that's the adjective now. Mad, mother, maddest. But if you want to talk about the state of being mad, the state of being mad, that's madness. Okay?
Okay. I actually want to know madness.
Yeah. See, it's okay, Mark, and that's a good question. Thank you for that. So we have here sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Here we have that one. So how about if we're going to use candy, cake, and ice cream? Okay, we have okay, you have here candy, cake, and ice cream. Okay, how about I'll be asking, where is Alfonso? Alfonso is no longer here.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, I was calling you a while ago. Okay,
Sorry.
please, it's okay. Alfonso, please read the sentences.
Okay. The candy is sweet. The cake is sweeter than the candy. The ice cream is the sweetest of all.
Okay, Alfonso, if we say the candy is sweet, we have sweet as
Candy.
we have sweet as the adjective. Is it positive, comparative, superlative?
Positive.
Okay, it's positive. How about the next one? Oh, the teacher then is already here. I think I have to stop
Comparative.
already. Okay, then
Comparative.
the next sentence is comparative, and the last one is and the last one we have the
Superlative.
superlative form. Okay, thank you, Alfonso.
You're welcome.
So I think if your next teacher is Zen, or maybe we have another teacher now here. So thank you, kids. I'll see you on Thursday. Okay, I'll see you on Thursday for our reading comprehension class. Thank you for being with me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Bye, Mr. Main.